Happy Friday, all my stock market investors. It is Shadai, and I'm back again with another Cashapp investing video. And today I'm going to give my predictions on the market for the rest of June and July. What I'm expecting to see is a market sell-off. People are going to be looking to take some profits. There's still fears in the world. Cases are rising in the United States. People are still unemployed. And although we know that the market isn't uh, 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 it doesn't reflect what reality is, eventually it's gonna catch up back to the market. And there's just so many different type of fears looming around right now, and it's expected. They're talking about it. Analysts are talking about it. There's going to be a sell-off. People are going to be selling. They're going to be looking to take profits. It's summertime. They need a little extra cash in their pocket. Whether they made $100, $200, $300, $1,000. They're going to be looking to take some profit to enjoy it, and on whatever vacation they decide to do, or maybe pay some bills, pay down some debt. There is lots of money in the market right now, and there's a lot of government money also in the market right now. And if it continues to go higher, I really won't understand. I really won't understand unless the only time I know that it's gonna just go crazy is when they announce that vaccine. When they announce that vaccine, we're gonna see this stock market do jumps we ain't never seen before. Um, I truly believe that, but I do think that before we get there, we're gonna see another sell-off, and it's bound to happen. It's part of the market. The market goes up, the market comes down, the market goes up, the market comes down. But every time before it goes up, it comes down. And I'm not telling you to sell everything. You would know best because you know what price you bought certain things at. So for me, I'm not planning to sell anything, but there's a lot of day traders, a lot of people that are trading week to week, month to month, and they're just trading within these next 3 months, and they're just looking to come in real quick for a few months and cash out. So it's going to be a lot of those people, and then you'll see hedge funds they'll start selling a little bit just to make sure, in case things they want to make sure they gain some profits before stuff crashes. I'm not saying it's going to be a complete crash, but you're going to start to see a lot of selling in the next few weeks, and people kind of just selling for profit and maybe spending it or maybe holding off until they see another opportunity to get in. Um, this is part of the game. This is part of the game, but just know that if you sell, this is how I feel. If you sell everything, right, and you have no money invested into the market, please find a way to get back into the market, especially if you're young. Find a way to get back in. I'm not against anybody that wants to sell for profits. Like, listen, you know your life more than me. I can't tell you don't do this, don't do that. I can only recommend, if you really need the money, or you're trying to buy something that's gonna bring you in more money, then I can't tell you not to sell. Go ahead, go sell and do whatever it is you got to do. But if you sell, make sure you get that money back in whenever you can, as soon as possible, because once that vaccine comes in, it's going right. But I recommend that if you got good pricing, if you got stocks at good pricing, March low pricing, hang it out. Hang it out. Look for more opportunities. Use this as an opportunity to stock up, some more. Keep stocking up on the shares. You can never not have enough shares, right? Long-term thinking. That's how I'm thinking, right? So I need to try to get as many shares as possible before that vaccine gets announced. Because once that vaccine gets announced, it don't matter what the price is at today or next week. When that vaccine gets announced, we're going to be at a whole new set of higher highs. And then it's up to you at that point, whatever it is you want to do. Let me know in the comments what you think about my prediction. Do you think that there's going to be a sell-off? Have you been feeling like you should sell? Because I feel like that's how the sell-off starts. People start to fail, and then that failing just kind of grows and spreads, and I start feeling like I should sell, and then the 5 people over there think that they should sell, and 5 people over there think they should sell, and then eventually we all kind of just sell in the same week, and then, yeah, y'all get it. But let me know what you think. Let me know honestly. I really want to know How are you feeling right now? Are you feeling comfortable? Are you not looking at the market right now because you're all in already? Are you thinking about selling? Why? If you are thinking about selling, why? Please give me a good reason. Don't just say because you fail or whatever, because I don't know. I feel like you really should have a good reason to sell, to pull your money out, because you just never know if you're going to get those good numbers. I'm not saying that you can't, you can, but you just never know when the day is. You're going to have to be on your phone. I miss out on all the time because I'm not on my phone every single second. The market's up and down by the second. So, yeah, I'm interested to hear what y'all, how y'all feel about this in the comments below. Have a good rest of y'all weekend.